Welcome, visionary entrepreneurs and eager business enthusiasts. Brace yourselves for a paradigm-shifting voyage as we unveil the ultimate guide to maximizing revenue. Whether you're a seasoned captain of industry or just setting sail, these 8 meticulously crafted strategies are poised to redefine your revenue journey. Get ready to embark on a detailed exploration of each of these powerful points, igniting your revenue potential like never before. Number 1. Understand your target audience. Revenue optimization commences with an anthropological expedition into your audience's psyche. Transcend mere demographics, dive into psychographics to comprehend their pain points, aspirations, and motivations. Engage in surveys, focus groups, and advanced sentiment analysis to sculpt intricate buyer personas. Armed with this wealth of information, you can meticulously tailor your products or services, striking a deeply resonant chord that translates to heightened conversions and an enduring halo of customer loyalty. Number 2. Offer a diverse product or service range. Picture your array of offerings as a symphony orchestra, where each instrument harmonizes to perfection. Introduce ancillary products that seamlessly lead to upselling and cross-selling opportunities. Curate bundles that orchestrate value and escalate the customer experience. By curating a diverse array that caters to varied needs and preferences, you not only cast a wider net for audience engagement but also beckon customers to immerse themselves further, culminating in a crescendo of elevated average transaction values. Number 3. Implement dynamic pricing strategies. Dynamic pricing is akin to an intricate dance with demand, an orchestrated ballet of adapting prices in synchrony with market rhythms. Harness real-time data and algorithms to fine-tune prices based on multifaceted variables such as demand, seasonality, and the ebb and flow of competitor pricing. Contemplate surge pricing during peaks of demand and ephemeral flash sales to instill a sense of urgency. This methodology ensures that every transaction captures the optimal value, propelling your revenue into a symphony of growth. Number 4. Focus on customer retention. Crafting a stronghold of customer loyalty forms the cornerstone of revenue fortification. Elevate your customer service to forge indelible post-purchase impressions. Set up tiered loyalty programs, unveil subscription models, and lavish exclusive privileges. Foster interaction via personalized emails and enthralling social media dialogues, ultimately nurturing customers into fervent brand evangelists. Satisfied, committed customers not only ensure the constancy of recurring revenue but also metamorphose into potent conduits of word-of-mouth marketing. Number 5. Leverage data analytics. Data isn't just a series of digits, it's a treasure trove of insights that beckons exploration. Employ sophisticated analytical tools to plumb the depths of customer behavior, predilections, and purchasing patterns. Detect trends that mold your marketing stratagems and product innovation initiatives. Delve into predictive analytics to preempt demand oscillations, meticulously adjusting inventory and orchestrating resource allocation. This analytical symphony guides your decisions, culminating in a harmonious crescendo of revenue expansion. Number 6. Invest in marketing and branding. Your brand's resonance wields the potential to harmonize revenue streams. Devote resources to sculpting a compelling brand identity that resonates on a visceral level with your audience. Paint narratives that transcend the tangible, weaving in values, experiential narratives, and a sense of belonging. Allocate resources strategically across diverse marketing conduits to ensure a pervasive presence within your target enclave. Number 7. Expand your online presence. The digital arena is a sprawling canvas for revenue potential. Shape a captivating online presence by erecting responsive websites, immersive social media profiles, and intuitive e-commerce platforms. Infuse your content with search engine optimization, SEO, to amplify visibility within digital searches. Enlist online advertising to chart uncharted territories, casting your revenue net wide and fostering the emergence of new tributaries. Number 8. Continuously innovate. To bask in the radiance of revenue optimization, you must be an unrelenting advocate of innovation. Remain attuned to industry trends, adopt emerging technologies, and actively seek customer feedback as you sculpt a narrative of evolution. Initiate a constant cadence of feature launches, novel product introductions, or service enhancements to ensure your repertoire remains an enchanting symphony of innovation. Number 9. Prioritize customer satisfaction. Happy customers are the key to long-term revenue growth. Focus on providing exceptional customer service and delivering products or services that exceed expectations. Strive for customer satisfaction by listening to their feedback, addressing their concerns promptly, and going the extra mile to meet their needs. Build strong relationships with your customers and cultivate loyalty by offering loyalty programs, personalized offers, or exclusive discounts. Encourage customers to leave positive reviews and refer others to your business. Happy customers not only become repeat buyers but also become brand advocates, spreading positive word of mouth and driving new revenue opportunities. Number 10. Implement strategic pricing. Pricing is a crucial factor in revenue generation. Conduct market research to understand your target audience's price sensitivity and competitors' pricing strategies. Develop a pricing strategy that maximizes profit margins while remaining competitive in the market. Consider offering different pricing tiers or bundling services to cater to various customer segments. Implement dynamic pricing strategies that adjust prices based on demand and market conditions. Regularly review and optimize your pricing strategy to ensure it aligns with your business goals and maximizes revenue. Keep in mind that pricing is not only about profitability but also perceived value, so communicate the benefits and value proposition of your offerings effectively. Number 11. Forge strategic partnerships. Strategic partnerships can provide access to new markets, resources, and expertise, ultimately increasing your revenue potential. Look for opportunities to collaborate with complementary businesses or industry influencers. Jointly develop and promote products or services that cater to a broader audience. Share resources, costs, and knowledge to mutually benefit both parties. Number 12. Continuously evaluate and adapt. Revenue maximization is an ongoing process. Regularly evaluate your strategies, monitor market trends, and adapt to changes. Be open to new ideas, embrace innovation, and be willing to pivot when necessary. Analyze the performance of your revenue-generating activities, identify areas for improvement, and implement necessary adjustments. Stay informed about industry developments and evolving customer preferences. Seek feedback from customers, employees, and stakeholders to gain insights for enhancing your revenue generation efforts. A dynamic and agile approach is essential to stay ahead and continually maximize revenue. Conclusion. With that, we conclude our immersive exploration of the ultimate guide to maximizing revenue. Remember, revenue optimization is a symphony that necessitates strategic finesse and relentless dedication. By embracing your audience, diversifying your offerings, wielding data insights, and nurturing innovation, you're poised to amplify your business's revenue symphony to a crescendo of success. If this comprehensive guide has struck a chord, do hit the like button, share it with fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe for a symphony of further insights. Until we meet again, orchestrate excellence in your revenue journey.